Hello YouTube, welcome to Mahogany Monet. I'm coming at y'all with another video, newbie review. Newbie review is where I review different products. It can be anything from shoes, hair, clothes, hats, watches, whatever I feel like reviewing or whatever you guys would like to see. But before I get into it, you know I have to make me a cocktail. That's the only way this video gonna be lit. I'm not being sponsored for this, but I'll let you guys know what I'm drinking. I'm drinking Eldorado rum. The Gucci Thong webs is $5.90 plus tax. It came up to like $6.70 or $6.90. They had a personal bag for each. Smell good. But let's see. Ta-da! These are my first pair of Gucci's, and I love them. The bottom is kind of hard, but I love these. Dope. These will look good with. I'm not a material girl. I'm not into material things. But sometimes you have to spend a little cash to get, what you want. I mean, because it's basically something I wanted. It ain't something I needed. But why not? If you got it, you work hard, I think you should reward yourself sometimes. I can't wait to rock them. I'll probably put up little outfit ideas on a video, what I might wear with them, because my mind always change. I say I'll wear this, or I'll do this, and then I see something else, and so be it. But yeah, these is my first pair of Gucci's I brought for myself. But yeah. This is a size 37.5. 37 is 7.5. In Europe, UK, right? Italy, UK, made in Italy. So they go by double digits. I mean, like 37, like 36, 37, 38 and up. I wear a size 7.5, so yeah, I got a 37.5. I'm gonna get me some Gucci shades to go with these. Gucci down, Gucci down, Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Yeah, this the front. The back. I really like this. You can see it. That's cute. See, it's a 37.5, made in Italy. Really nice. And I really like this. This is look like they secured the hell out of this up here, because it don't even move, don't do nothing. I like it because it's gold and silver. Put your little nice gold watch or a silver watch, coordinated well. They're called Gucci Thong web sandals and slides. One thing about luxury items, learn when it comes to branding your products, put put it all into it. You know, branding is an important part of your business. And if you learn that, your products can go a long way. You know, I don't care how many customers you got. 1 customer, 2 customers, no more than 5 customers. When you branding your product, be precise, be neat. Packaging and branding is important when it comes to selling your products, pitching your products to investors. It's very important. Look at the different luxuries companies, Gucci, Louis, even Coach. All of those, they brand their products with top-rated things. It don't even have to be the material of the box. It can be your advertisement, you know, your the way you say thank you, different things. But always look at those and think of your product. When it comes to me and my son product, I don't rush. Just because this person doing something don't mean you have to rush into it. Take your time, build your business. Always think outside the box. You know what I mean? There's so much that I can say, but I didn't really want to get into these details because I didn't make this video for that. It's about reviewing these Gucci slides. But I just want y'all to keep that in mind. And also, thank you for all the likes, comment, and the people that have subscribed and the people that's going to subscribe. I appreciate you. Everything counts. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay notified 1 video at a time. Thank you for watching.